Hi students, today we are going to see about exercise 3.2. In exercise 3.2, we have GCD and LCM. Already you know what is GCD, greatest common divisor, and LCM, least common multiples of polynomials. So first of all, we will see what is GCD. GCD, to find GCD we have three steps. Divide f of x by g of x to obtain f of x, that is f of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. R of x is nothing but a remainder of x. Q of x is the quotient and r of x is the remainder. Then the degree will be r of x must be less than the degree of r of x. It must be less than the degree of r of x. And step 2, if the remainder of r of x is non-zero, divide g of x by r of x. If it is non-zero, we have to divide again, that is g of x by r of x. So g of x is equal to r of x q1, taking the quotient 1 multiply plus remainder x, then r1 is a new remainder. Then degree r1 of x is less than degree r of x. So I am taking r of x is 0, then r of x is a required GCD. In step 3, r1x is non-zero, continue the process till you get 0. You have to continue the process until you get 0 as a remainder. Now let us move on to exercise 3.2. Find the GCD of the given polynomial by division and logarithm. Given polynomial. So take first polynomial as p of x is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 3x cube. X square is not there, so use 0 or 0x square. So 0x square minus x minus 3. And taking the next polynomial as g of x. G of x is equal to x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3. Check whether it is in standard form. Constant, power 1, 2 and 3. So it is in proper standard form. Now let us divide. Write p of x, x to the power of 4 plus 3x cube plus 0x square minus x minus 3. And write g of x, x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3. It is very easy for you to find the division and logarithm. So take the first term, both the sides, x power 4 and x power cube. Write x to the power of 4 divided by x cube. Okay. So as you know, according to the law of exponents, so x to the power of 4 divided by x cube is nothing but x to the power of 4 division. So power will be subtracted. X to the power of 4 minus 3 is x. Now write this x as a quotient. X. So now multiply. X into x cube. X into x cube, or otherwise you write this x as t is here and copy the g of x. X cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3. Okay. Now multiply. X into x cube, x to the power of 4. X into x square is x cube. X into 5x minus 5x. X power 1, x power 1. So it becomes x square. And x into 3 is 3x. Now write down the polynomial here, x to the power of 4 plus x cube minus 5x square plus 3x. Now you can see if 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2x to the power of q. Same sign, add. So 5x to the power 5x square. Same sign, add 3 plus 1, 4x. And take the next term. Okay, now again the same step, no changes at all. Take the first term 2x cube and again from this side x cube. Divide x cube cancel, we get 2. Okay, now write this 2 and take g of x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3. Just multiply. 2 into x cube is 2x cube. 2 into x square, 2x square. And 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10. 10x. 2 into 3 is 6. Now write this 2 as quotient here plus 2 and copy x cube plus 2x square minus 10x plus 6. Now change the sign because we have x square, x cube both in same sign. So change and cancel. Yeah. Change for all the terms. 5 minus 2 it is 3x square. Different sign subtract. 10 is greater, so use plus. 10 minus 4 is 6x. Same sign, add, is 9. And now children, you can see that we didn't get 0. Now you can see the multiples of 3 in each term. So taking 3 outside, 3x square, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. And this is a reminder, x square plus 2x minus 3. Now, till you get 0, you have to continue this process. Now, write this reminder, x square plus 2x minus 3. Now, again, g of x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3. And now you know how to start. Now taking the first term x cube and here the first term x square. Divide x cube by x square is equal to, as per exponential rule, x cube minus 2 is only x. Now write x as quotient and write x multiply with x square plus 2x minus 3. So x into x square is x cube plus x into 2x, 2x cube x square minus 3x. Okay. Now x cube plus 2x square minus 3x. Now change the sign so that you can cancel x cube. Okay, now cancel x cube plus minus 2 minus 1 is 1x square. 2 is greater, so minus x square. Here we have different sign, plus and minus. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 is greater, so minus 2x and take plus 3. Okay. Now again the process continues. Take the first term, that is minus x square. Here we have x square. So x square cancel. Here we have minus, so minus 1. Okay. Now write minus 1. Minus 1 is multiplied with x square plus 2x minus 3. So multiply minus x square minus 2x and minus into minus plus 3. So minus x square minus 2x plus 3. Now you can see the quotient. Okay, so GCD is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. Now question number 2, x to the power of 4 minus 1, and here we have another polynomial x cube minus 11x square plus x minus 11. Now you can see the polynomial x to the power of 4, and we don't have any x cube, x square, x. So what we have to do in the last sum, we have used 0. So likewise here also x to the power of 4, right? 0 x cube plus 0 x square, and no x also, so plus 0x minus 1. So you have to write in standard form, then only you can find answer. Then taking this as g of x. G of x is equal to x cube minus 11x square plus x minus 11. Okay, now write p of x, x to the power of 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 1. Okay, x cube minus 11x square plus x minus 11. So what's the first step? We have to take the first term, x to the power of 4, and here x to the power of cube. So subtract x to the power of 4 minus x to the power of 3 is x. So now write x and take down all the terms. X cube minus 11x square plus x minus 11. Now multiply x into x cube, x to the power of 4, x into 11 minus 11x cube, x into x, x square minus 11x. Okay, and x to the power of 4 minus 11x cube plus x square minus 11x. Now minus plus minus plus cancel, and here same sign 11x cube, and here you can see 0x square minus x square. So write minus x square and same sign, you have 0 now, so write plus 11x and take the next term minus 1. Now again the same procedure, 11x square divided by 11x cube divided by x cube. X cube cancel 11. Okay, and then 11 within bracket x cube minus 11x square plus x minus 11. Okay, now multiply 11 into x cube, 11x cube, 11 into 11, 121 x square, 11 into x, 11x, 11 into 11 minus 121. Alright, 11 x cube minus 121 x square, then plus 11x minus 121. Okay, now change the sign, minus, plus, minus and plus. So different sign cancel, here different sign plus, minus. Here we have 1. 121 minus 1 is 120 x square, and different sign plus minus 11x minus 11x. Again cancel. Here you can see different sign, 121 minus 1. So 121 plus is greater plus 120. So we didn't get 0. You can see reduce the term. So 120, 120 common. So take 120 x square minus plus 120 into 1, 120. This is the remainder. Okay. Again what we have to do, till you get 0 11. And write this remainder, that is x square plus 1. As we learned already, x square, after x square we have to get x. So we don't have x, right? 0x plus 1. Okay? Now take the first term, x cube by x square. So x cube divide x cube minus x square is x. X, right? X square plus 0x plus 1. So multiply x square into x is x cube, 0 into it is 0, and here as x. Okay? So x cube plus 0, in the place of x you have to write x. Now here it is 0x square. Now change the sign. Minus, cancel. Here you have 0, so write minus 11x square, and different sign goes for cancel, minus 11. Okay? Now again what you have to do? Take the first term minus 11x square divided by x square. X square cancel, it is minus 11. So write minus 11 and take minus 11 into x square plus 0x plus 1. Multiply minus 11x square, 0 and minus 11. Okay? Now you can see minus 11x square, 0 already it is cancelled, leave 0 and write minus 11. Now change the sign. You can see minus 11 plus 11 cancel, minus 11 plus 11 cancel. So it is 0. We have come to end. Therefore, GCD is equal to GCD, write x square plus 0x plus 1 or x square plus 1. Question number 3. Here the polynomials are given. Now write p of x is equal to 3x to the power of 4 plus 6x cube minus 12x square minus 24x. Here you can see all the terms are under the multiple of 3. So write 3. Here x also common. So even you can take 3x and 3x. Here you have x to the power of 4. So having 1x here, we have x cube plus 3 2s are 6. 1x is here. So minus 3x cube minus x is x square minus 3 4s are 12. 1x remains here. The other x minus 8 3s are 24. So x is here. So p of x is equal to 3x within bracket x cube plus 2x square minus 4x minus 8. And again in g of x 4x to the power of 4 plus 14x cube plus 8x square minus 8x. You can see all the terms under 2 and with x also. So 2x, 2 2s are 4, 1x is here, we have the remaining x cube plus 7 2s are 14 x square and 4 2s are 8, 1x minus 4 2s are 8. Okay, now you can write GCD of p of x and g of x. For p of x we got p of x and this 3x and here we have 2x. So for this common it is 3x and 2x. So as we took p of x in the last sums, here you can see the difference 2x cube and x cube. 2x cube, here g minus 4x minus 8. Take the first term, that is 2x cube divided by x cube. X cube cancel, it is 2. Okay, 2 multiplied by x cube plus 2x square minus 4x minus 8. 2 into x cube, 2x cube plus 4x square minus 8x minus 16. So write 2x cube plus 4x square minus 8x minus 16. Change the sign. Okay, now cancel. Different sign. 7 minus 4, 3x square. Same sign plus 12x. And different sign plus 12. Here you can see the common multiple, that is 3 x square. 3 4s are 12 x plus 3 4s are 12. So reminder, you have to continue till you get 0. So write this reminder, x square plus 4x plus 4 and x cube plus 2x square minus 4x minus 8. Take the first term, x cube divided by x square is equal to x cube minus 2, it is x. So write x and x within bracket, we write the polynomial x square plus 4x plus 4. So multiply x into x square is x cube plus 4x square plus 4x. So x cube plus 4x square plus 4x. Now change the sign. Cancel. Different sign, 2 minus 4. 4 is greater, so 2x square. Same sign minus 8x minus 8. Okay, again continue. Take the first term, that is minus 2x square divided by x square. X square cancel, so it is minus 2. Minus 2. Okay, minus 2 multiply with this polynomial x square plus 4x plus 4. So it is minus 2x square minus 8x minus 8. So minus 2x square minus 8x minus 8. Change the sign. So all the terms goes for cancel, it is 0. Now GCD is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4, and here you can see already we have found the GCD of a polynomial p of x and g of x. Now we have common as x. So here we have to add the final answer with x. So GCD is equal to x within bracket x square plus 4x plus 4. Even you can multiply as x cube and 4x square and 4x. Question number 4. Here we have 3x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 3. Taking this as p of x is equal to 3x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 3. We have common multiples, that is 3x g of x cube 2x square plus x plus 2, and here 6 is greater, so go with the g of x, divide with g of x, so x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 2, and write p of x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Take the first term, that is x cube divided by x cube. X cube cancel, we get 1. So with 1, if we multiply x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay, now change the sign, minus, 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 cancel. 2x square minus x is 2. 2 minus 1 is x square. 2 is greater plus, and different sign cancel. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it is not 0. Again you have to continue. X square plus 1. Okay, go with this. X cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay, take the first term, x cube divided by x square is equal to x cube divided by x square is x. So with x, multiply x into x square plus 1. X cube plus 1 into x. So x cube plus x. This x, so in the place of x square it's 0, then x. So change the sign, cancel x square plus 1. Okay, again the first term x square and the first term x square divided by x square is 1. So plus 1. So with 1, if you multiply x square, it is x square plus 1. Change the sign. Okay, cancel the 0. Is equal to 0. GCD is equal to x square plus 1. But here in P of x is equal to 3x cube plus x square plus x plus 1, and in G of x it is 6x cube plus 2x square plus x plus 2. Here you can see 3 and 6. For 3 and 6 we have common multipliers 3. So while writing the final answer, GCD is equal to 3x square plus 1. And before going to a second Roman letter, let us see how to find LCM. The first step, each expression is first resolved into factors. First you have to resolve all the expressions into factors. And then the second step, highest power of the factor will be the LCM. And in third step, if the expressions have numerical coefficients, that is number of coefficients, then you have to find the LCM. And step 4, the product of LCM. The product of LCM of factors and the coefficient is always required to find LCM. Okay, now let us go on with exercise. Question number 2, find the LCM of given polynomials 4x square y, 8x cube y square. 4x square y is equal to 2 into 2 x square, that is x square into y, and 8x cube y square. 2 into 2, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. X cube into y square. Now you can see 2 in both the terms. 2. So write down 2 into 2 as well as the extra 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into, here by writing the variables, right, which is greater. Here we have x cube, here we have x square. Write the greatest power x cube, and here also y square and y. Again, even if we have one time, we have to write that number also. 3 into 3. And here we have 2 into 2 and a cube. Here a square. Take the highest degree. So a cube and b square. And here we don't have c. Then also you have to take c. Multiply 3 into 3, 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 2s are 36. Minus 36 a cube b square into c. And question number 3, 16m is equal to 4 into 4 into m. Then minus 12 m square n square minus 4 3s are 12. 4 into 3 into m square into n square. And then 8 n square. 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8 into n square. Here we have 4 in all the terms. Even in this 4 also you can split 2 into 2. So that it will be easy for you to take in third term. Alright. 4 one time into 2. Here we have 2 and again 2 and then 3. Then m square. M square we have m square is the highest degree and n square. Okay, then multiply. Here we have negative symbol minus 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 into 3 is 48. 6 3s are 18. Divided 1. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. Minus 48 m square n square. Question number 4. P square minus 3p plus 2. Here you can see it is given in a factorization method. So using the term 2, so you have to get minus 3. So 2 ones are 2. It is minus 3. Minus 3. So minus into minus. Minus into minus plus 1 2s are 2. Same sign and same sign. 2 plus 1 3. So these are the factors minus 2 and minus 1. So we write p square minus 3p plus 2 is equal to, so p square minus 2p minus 1p, then this plus 2. Okay. First 2 and last 2. Here we have common p plus p. Here p into p square minus p is already here, so minus 2. So that if you multiply, it must be p square minus 2 into p, 2p minus 1p plus 2. We don't have any common element. We have only 1. So put 1 p, 1 into p, 1p minus. Minus into minus, it will be plus. So very careful with this. Minus into minus plus 1 2s are 2. Now you can see minus 2, p minus 2, p minus 2 as common factor. Then the outer portion, that is p minus 1, the second factor. Okay. And now let us go with the next term, that is p square minus 4. P square minus 4 is nothing but p square. If it is p square here, this one is also, that is 4 is also will become 2 square. That is p square minus 2 square. So 2 into 2, 4. So what this p square minus 2 square resembles a square minus b square. 1 into 3, 3. Now you can see both the brackets got the same factors. Then it is correct. So first write 2x plus 1 factor, and the next factor is x minus 3. Okay. And now let us move on to 4x square minus 36. 4x square minus 36. Here we have 4 as common. 4x square minus 9. 9 4s are 36. Now you can see again we have x square minus 9. That is x square minus 3 square. So that it is a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? A square minus b square is nothing but a plus b, a minus b. Okay, now 4x minus 3, x plus 3. Now what will be the LCM? LCM is equal to 2x plus 1. Okay, and then x minus 3. X minus 3 is already there, and x plus 3. Now we have 4. So LCM is equal to 4 within the bracket 2x plus 1, x minus 3, x plus 3. Question number 6. 2x square minus 3xy whole square is equal to, take common variable x, 2x. So 2x into x, 2x square minus 3y whole square. So here also square. Next take 4x minus 6y whole cube is equal to 4x minus 6y. Here variables are different, but the multiple that is goes under 2. So 2x minus 3y. 2 2s are 4x, 2 3s are 6y cube. So cube. Then 8x cube minus 27y cube. So reduce this 2x whole cube minus 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 whole cube. Now this is a cube minus b cube. What is a cube minus b cube? A minus b. Here a minus b, and the remaining are a square. A square plus ab plus b square. Okay. 2x cube minus 3y cube. So write 2x minus 3y. Okay. Then a square, that is 2x square. 2x square, 2x, and b is 3y plus b square, that is 3y whole square. 2x minus 3y. 2 2s are 4, x square plus 2 3s are 6, xy plus 3 3s are 9, y square. Okay. Alright. 2x minus 3y. Again 4x square plus 6xy plus 9y square. Now the LCM is, here you can see LCM 2x minus 3y whole square, 2x minus 3y whole cube. So take the highest degree, that is 2x minus 3y whole cube, then 4x square plus 6xy plus 9y square. And here you can see 2 cube x square. Okay, so 2 into 2, 4, 4 2s are 8, and the highest order here we have only x. So write, therefore 8x square now students, we have come to the end of this exercise. Practice all the sum. It is very easy. If you just look at the board, it won't be very easy for you. Just practice. We will see in next exercise. Thank you.